those of you that have joined us, bear with me. The network is extremely bad. I'm trying my best to see what we can do, but for whatever reason, the network seems to be going in and out. So bear with me. So in case it's cutting in and out. So right there and there is the magnificent stadium that Wizkid is expected to be playing tonight, as you can all see. So Wizkid is going to be right in there tonight, giving it to all his fans around the world, what he loves to do best: singing, dancing, entertainment. Entertainment is a big industry and is generating a lot of revenue for the UK economy, as more artists are expected to come down here and also play as well. So let me see if we get all our other platforms in quickly, because we seem to be having some technical problem as well. So as I said, this is a live transmission. Right there is the 62,000 capacity stadium where Wizkid is expected to be playing tonight. My name is Koikimedia, and I welcome you to this live transmission. The question you should ask yourself is, why are Nigerians why are they doing very well outside Nigeria, but they're not doing very well inside Nigeria? The reason is because we have a country that was put together in 1914. We've talked about it. As all these are probably, half of them are Nigerians, but majority of them as well are also not Nigerians. But the question is, do you think that this generation would like to relocate back to Nigeria? In as much as they're enjoying the entertainment, the question we should ask is, do you think that they will come back to Nigeria at some point? That is the question I'm asking. Do you think that they're going to come back to Nigeria? Maybe, maybe not. Nobody knows. But one thing is that some of us have told you that the country put together seems not to be working. But some of you disagree. So I'm going to be giving you all the views, everything you need to know. Mo kí gbogbo wa káàkiri ibi tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ wa ní àṣálẹ́ lórí ètò ti Koikimedia, bringing the world closer to our doorsteps, as tonight is going to be one other night out of so many nights, a very busy one, which I am aware of. I know that it's going to be very busy, and we hope to bring to you the best coverage. So for those of you that couldn't make it to London, nítorí pé UK ò fún yín ní visa, I've told you so many times, we are called the Commonwealth. Wọ́n pè wá ní Commonwealth. But what is the essence of the Commonwealth when we cannot even have access to get to UK and watch this kind of event? Mo kí ọmọdé, mo kí àgbàlagbà, mo kí omidan, mo kí arúgbó. Ìdí tí a ṣe tún gbé tò báyìí wá ò ní pé ká béèrè lọ́wọ́ ara wa, ká tẹra wa ní ọkàn pé ǹjẹ́ àwa tí a ní a fẹ́ Yorùbá nation, ǹjẹ́ irú àwòrán báyìí òun náà kọ́ lẹ fẹ́ ní gbogbo local government tó ń bẹ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá? These are all the questions I want you to ask yourself, for those of you that disagree with us, especially those of you that say we should stay tuned and keep, this contraction known as Nigeria, where the Nigerians are doing very well outside, Nigeria, but they refuse to do well inside Nigeria. Most times, when we say that Nigeria is not working, it's not because of anything, it's because the evidence proves that Nigeria is a failed entity. And as Nigeria continues to fail, a lot of you that are still having this hope that ó máa turn around. Gbogbo àwọn youth yìí tẹ̀ ń rí níbí bá àwọn ọ̀dọ́ tẹ̀ ń rí, most of them will never come to Nigeria anyway, because they don't believe in Nigeria. But they believe in the artists. They believe in them. But they don't believe in